Hello, hello, and welcome back. This is Damsels and Dragons DPing, and today I have some Happy Mail. So I am just going to rearrange these a little bit and then get into it. I'm going to start with this here. I haven't actually opened it. I just did a little pre-opening, so you did not have to see me wrestling with the box on the video. And I'm still going to wind up wrestling with the box. Look at me here. All right. This is from the one with the diamond art. This is a cover minder. I also had some canvases, but they do ship separately. This does ship from the UK. And so I've got my little business card there. And then, oh, it's attached. So I just had to have that little penguin mug. So cute. This here package, this is from Dragons and Beasties. And while what's in here is not strictly diamond painting related, more and more of their pictures have been in the voting. So I just wanted you to see some of the art. I got stickers. And look at these. Oh my goodness, so cute. So I know I've seen, I think this little one here, one really similar to it, was in one of the rounds of voting. The butterfly dragon was released around Black Friday. That's art by them. And then they have a really cute unicorn canvas that I know is available on Amazon. So, some of these sheets of stickers are the same, some are different. But super fun artwork. I absolutely just love all of their artwork. I want like everything by them. Usually my husband is the dragon guy and I'm the damsel guy, but in this case I want everything dragons because, oh my gosh, look at this one with the noodles. They're stinking adorable. So again, not strictly diamond painting related, but you should definitely check out their artwork. And when it shows up in voting, if you like that, definitely vote yes. And maybe we'll see more of them made into canvases. All right. This is a first time for me. This is Scentsible by Design on Etsy. They are out of Canada. So if you are in Canada, this might be a good option for you for waxes and putties for me. For the US, I definitely wanted to try it. Seen lots of good things about it. The shipping was a little more. Now, some of these scents, I got the Valentine ones. So the names of them are, some of them are a little bit not safe for work. Maybe not safe for all little ears, but I thought they were hilarious. So that's one of their putties. There's a putty. And I just had to think, like, they didn't have descriptions of what these smelled like. So I have to be honest. I was like, what would that smell like? It's like a fruity-ish smell. It doesn't seem really strong. This was a wax. I think they said it's a harder wax, something that you'd kind of use your pen and scrape into. They're not overpowering. I'm definitely getting that hint of scent, but nothing that's crazy overpowering. And then a couple of little goodies there. This is Whimsical Daisies, also on Etsy. I will link all of these. So this is Not Your Mama's Mud. She also has some cover minders. I snatch these up whenever I see them. She did not have any posted last time I looked. They sell so fast, but to me it is the ultimate wax alternative, or wax, I mean. I guess it is a wax, not necessarily an alternative. Had some little stickers in that packaging that are getting stuck. Just little cuties. Oh, that one's like poofy. That one's fun. It's like a little poofy pumpkin. Or maybe it's a cactus. I think those were supposed to be spines. So I got It's Pretty Basic. and melon balls. And I just absolutely love these because these are ones you do just stick your pen right down in it to load it for a single placer. Love, 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 love her waxes. Finally, one of my favorites, super common for me, DP with sparklers. I had to get some gem mail to dress up my current canvas. And then I was just like, what colors might I not have a lot of? What looks pretty? What might I use in the future? What do I want? So let's see. Looks like they did throw in just an extra goodie, like a little tray. Let me pull that out of there. I think my bag was too full. I had so much stuff. So look at this. Okay. So I got these gorgeous pearls. The one I'm working on right now is Aliana's Otter. She has that like pearlish looking headband, and I was like, ooh, I want to try those on there. So I got these pearls, which I think on the rounds are supposed to take 4 spaces. And then these are technically for the square. They're a little bit smaller of pearls, but I was like, ooh, those might fit okay around these huge ones. So that might be all right. And then some of these colors were just super pretty. I need to make an inventory though now because I'm going to forget what I've got. And this like is not, I feel like not coming out really super true to color. But this is like this gorgeous dark, like a dark berry color. I decided I needed some yellows in my life because I just didn't have a lot of yellow ABs. So I was like, why not? There's a peach. I can always find ways, I feel like, to dress up my diamond paintings. So I just kind of was like, shoot for the stars. Get some pretty stuff. I love that teal. There's a really pretty purple. There's a dark blue. This one, I might have hit the add button twice because I got 2 of it, but you know what? I really like that color. This is an AB jelly. I like them because then even if the symbols are darker and would show through a jelly with the AB coating, it kind of hides that. Oh my goodness, look at this. It's neon, AB, and jelly all. I have a feeling my husband's going to be wanting to find something to use that one on. He might just snatch it from me. And that purple neon. And then these metallics I thought would be like something different and interesting to try and use. So I got this like gold. The backs of those look really different though. I'll be interested to see how well those stick. The backs just look a little bit different, but I'll have to ask people how they work. There's this one's supposed to be like a blush metallic, so the backing looks gray, but like the front looks more of a rose gold color. Love these original sparklers. I mean, that's just really not, it's not, I might have too much light. Let me see here if I can turn that. No, I don't know that helped. Anyways, those are just absolutely gorgeous. I'm loving them. These sparklers, they're like a glass bead, so they're just, I mean, they go above and beyond. These ones are a pink opal. Oh, those are fun purple. There's a copper color. These actually are glow ones, so they're glass, and they're sparklers, and they're opal, and they glow, which is just, I mean, does like everything. Like I said, I feel like this is not, oh, there we go. That's a little better there on that one. There we go. I might have found the spot to hold that. And then just like the little freebies, so like little stickers. Oop, there's a yellow one. I've had pink ones before, just fun. So, lots of fun mail from some small shops around. Support. I love to support these small shops. Look them up on Etsy. Even if you're not seeing anything now, favorite them. Follow them. You'll see when they get new stuff in their shop. Like I said, just check them out. If you love these little dragons as much as I do, definitely look for those to come up in the votings. And I hope you have a wonderful week. All right, thanks guys. Bye.